I'm going to show you how to make a delicious pea and ham soup from my new recipe book, the Everyday High Protein Handbook. It is absolutely loaded in protein, it's super rich, filling, but the best thing is an absolute cinch to make. It's super healthy as well because we're just loading it full of vegetables, so there's lots of nutrients. The first thing we're going to do is to chop up a leek, a couple of carrots and some onions. That's forming the base of the soup. And then to give it even more flavour, we're going to add in 2 rashers of smoked bacon. The best thing to do is just remove the fat just to keep the calories down. If you're not bothered about lower calorie, that's fine, but I don't think it's needed. So chop everything up reasonably small. You don't need to be too particular about this because we're going to blend it all at the end anyway. You could also just pop it all in a food processor to blitz it up to make it even easier. Fry those veggies for about 5 minutes, then add in your ham stock. Don't worry, I do get that bit in the stock cube, I've just missed it off the camera. And then add in green peas. These are coming straight from the freezer, along with 300 grams of shredded ham hock, smoked or unsmoked, it's up to you. Some thyme, bay leaves, and then hit it up with plenty of seasoning. We're going to stir that and then just reduce the heat to a simmer, pop the lid on it, and it just needs about 15 minutes or so. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe. Once the timer is up, remove the bay leaf and the thyme and then give it a good blitz with the stick blender. All you need to do is plate it up and then garnish with some peas and some ham. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you'd like the full recipe, you can get it and a load of others in my brand new recipe book. If you click the link in the description, you can pre-order your copy now because it's out very soon.